Morning, family. Ham's Loft. Just got finished raining. Everything is soaking wet. I decided to go on and let them out for the second time today. I tossed them this morning. Everybody was back. I haven't got a chance to actually touch any of them. I won't do that till tomorrow because I know somebody hit that power line. I seen the power line shake. So that's uh that's 34 up there. I got two of them inside the loft. I think they're sitting on an egg. I'll throw them away in the morning. But they are flying good. So I just let them out for a fly. Got a little bit of color in there. A couple of doves sitting on the power line. All I do is just open the window, open the door. Nice little fly. I'm getting ready to go inside, show you what my dropper. She not even a damn flyer no more. Her word is gonna be dropper. It's my flight. She just knows how to drop the birds. Lazy, Miss Lazy. All right, let's take a look inside. That's a pair right there. That grizzle and that blue bar. I think the blue bar's a cock, so I'm quite sure he's sitting on an egg. He didn't move, so come on, get out of here. What'd I tell you? Sitting on an egg. I threw the other one away. It was on that side. That's probably why that grizzle was the first one home. I'll throw the egg away tomorrow. Here they go. Group of troublemakers. They tired of flying. What I do is I don't put the trap down. I leave it just like this for them to go in and out. There's no food in there. I want them comfortable flying around, and I'll drop the trap later on tonight if they ain't all in. This one right here, this is gonna be all cocks. That one right there, I think it's a hen, but I'll find out. I thought it was a cock, but because it stays up at the top, and you see the other cocks come over here and start dancing, but it won't dance, so I'm thinking it's a hen. All right, fellas, everybody, here she go. Super dropper. I don't like to fly. And everybody else is on the roof doing their thing. All right, comment, subscribe. Just a second time today. The rain is, you can see the clouds. It already rained, so I figured I got a few hours for them to enjoy outside. All right, comment, subscribe, do what you do.